Hi guys, today we're gonna do a rear diff service on this 2018 or 16 GLC300, and then I'm gonna show you the procedure and the tools you need and the fluid that you're gonna put in. The 14 mil hex right there, and then you also need like another drain plug right here. I mean, you just need a 14 mil with a hex. That's it. So you crack it loose. I like to crack the fuel plug loose first, so I know I can get fluid back in. So I'm gonna take out both plugs. When you take this out, the fluid will come out. So make sure you have a bucket to catch it. So after you take out the fuel plug, see a little bit come out. But when you take out the drain plug, there'll be a lot coming out. So just be careful, get a bucket, and then there you go. And then you're just gonna wait until it finish draining. So this is the part that we're gonna put in. It's 7585. Yeah, and then you're just gonna put, I think 1 quart should be good enough, so 1 liter, and you're just gonna fill it until it come out from the drain plug. I mean, it come out from the fuel plug, so sorry. So right now we put in the drain plug, and then we're just gonna fill from this fill hole right there. So we're just gonna fill from this hole, and then I'm gonna show you guys how much that I put in, but it's just this one right here. Drain and fill. So I'm gonna fill, I think it's around like 600 or 800 mil, and then after you start leaking out, then that's it. So basically you're just gonna fill until it stops dripping. After that you can put back the plug, the fuel plug, and that's it. You don't need to like super tight, just make sure it's like snug, and then don't go too hard, just make sure it's like snug. There's no pressure, so you don't need to like tighten it super hard. So if anything help you, please like and subscribe, and so I'll make more video about the Mercedes repair or maintenance. Thank you.